The Tumu police has in their custody a 35-year-old man suspected of drug peddling who was arrested for selling unregistered herbal drugs to the public in the Sisala East municipality. Acting Upper West Regional Director of the Food and Drugs Authority, Kelvin Dafari, who led the operation, said the suspect Abdul Kudus Razak used one herb to manufacture 8 different drugs. Joy News' Upper West Regional Correspondent Rafiq Salam has more.
According to the acting Upper West Regional Director of the Food and Drugs Authority, Kelvin Dafari Songpal, they had information that the suspected drug peddler was in Tumu, capital of the Sisala East municipality, where he is alleged to have been selling the fake herbal aphrodisiacs.
So quickly this morning, I have to get my team and rise to Tumu. And lo and behold, when he was found at the Tumu station, peddling drugs, so we just didn't want to go straight. I have to let someone go purchase it. So when we had the drugs, there were about 8 different herbal drugs that are not registered. So we arrested him and sent him to the police station.
Initial investigations revealed that the 35-year-old Abdul Kudus Razak was using one herb and kept them in different containers and labeled with different names.
I realized that the guy is just using one particular herb and we put it in different containers with different labels. So we'll have malaria fever, we'll have manpower, we'll have 10 minutes man, different names. Meanwhile, it's just one drug. One common thing that has run through all the drugs we realized was that they all say something about sex. So if you pick this one, even one is even a malaria drug, and he said that he indicated in the label that when you take it, you can perform as a man. So I think he is just going around marketing aphrodisia, herbal aphrodisia.
Okay, so he said there's one that penis enlargement.
Penis enlargement, yes. You could see the picture of a penis, very long penis, and you see a lady holding the penis. And that's what people were much interested in when we went there. They were buying. He was selling just a small bottle about 330 ml for 40 Ghana cedis. So someone bought it and I approached the guy, oh, have you used before? That? No, that's the way the guy marketed the product. He believed that yes, the things work. And he too, he doesn't perform well, so he bought it. I asked whether he has checked for FDA registration before buying. He said normally when he used to buy it, he doesn't check for FDA registration.
Kelvin Dafari Songpal disclosed that the suspected drug peddler months ago came to the authority to register a product, after which he went on his own way, selling other unregistered drugs to the public.
He came and we registered one product for him, but that one was herbal capsules. So, but we didn't know he was into all this kind of preparations. But when we interacted with him, he told us that because he's afraid of the office, that's why he has moved to Tumu. So very far from the office, thinking that we will not see him. But what we also do here is that because we don't often go there every time, we have people who help us with information. The environmental health officers are there and other citizens that are very curious about work. So we have given them information in case they see someone who is doing something that is against our law, the FDA law, they should please inform us. I think that's why somebody called us yesterday in the night and we had this information when I arrested the guy.
So now he's behind bars, he's stuck there. What next?
Yes, it was in Tumu. So I've asked the municipal police commander to refer the case to the regional CID so that we can handle here. He has agreed. Fortunately, the guy himself is also from Wahia. So he also wants the case to be handled in Wahia. So
the acting Upper West FDA director has this message for the public.
If we are sick, as much as possible, let's try to go to the pharmacies. First of all, go to the health facility. If you even have to buy any medication for yourself, go to the licensed over-the-counter shops or pharmacies. That is where they can save you better. But to buy drugs from peddlers, they don't even handle the drugs well. The drugs were in a car, very dirty car, and he's packed it in the sun, and he was selling to people. And I also like this, try to check whatever you are buying, be it drug or food, at least try to check whether the product has been registered by the Food and Drugs Authority. You could see that this man was just selling the drugs to the ignorance of the people. They will just come and buy because they've seen funny picture, a picture of a penis in the product. They were very happy, thinking that if they also take it, they will get the same size of penis. That is really very bad.
Reporting for Joy News, Rafiq Salam. Wow.